Hi, I am going to review today 1991 AMC8, question number 21. Right now, this sum is pretty simple. Let's see how it goes. For every 3 degrees rise in temperature, the volume of a certain gas expands by 4 cubic centimeters. Right? If the volume of the gas is 24 cubic centimeters, then when the temperature is 32, what was the volume of the gas in cubic centimeters when the temperature was 20? Right? So for every 3 degrees rise, so we have to see how many times the temperature rose from 20, 20 to 32, right? So let's do that. So it rose 12 degrees, but for so the temperature rise is equal to 12 degrees, correct? But for every 3 degrees rise, okay, the gas increases, expands by 4 cubic centimeters, correct? If the volume of the gas is 24 cubic centimeters when the temperature is 32, right? So from a fall from 12 uh, f- 12 degrees, so I'm going to say 12 by 3, which is 4, right? Now for each, this one 4 cubic centimeter has changed, so this is going to be 16. So out of 24, I'm going to reduce 16. So which is 8. Okay. So this is the final cubic centimeter of the gas when it was 20 degrees. Because from 8 it has gone up, right, to 24. So 8 is the one which was there at 20 degrees. Okay. So this is your answer. A. Going to the next one. Each spinner is divided into 3 parts. The results obtained from spinning the 2 spinners are multiplied. What is the probability that? Okay, product is an even number. Okay, so for even, we can have even into even is even, correct? Then we can have even into odd is even, and odd into even is also even. Okay, but odd into odd is not even, so that will not come. So we have 3 cases here. So even into even, so for the first one to make even, I will have 1 by 3, correct? Then into the second one also should be even, so I will have 2 by 3. Now this is going to give me 2 by 9. Okay, then for this one I'm going to have even, so same 1 by 3. Then this is odd, so this odd will be 1 by 3, correct? So this is going to be 1 by 9. Then the third case, odd and even. So here if it is odd, it's 2 by 3, right? And if this is even, it is 2 by 3, which is nothing but 4 by 9. Okay, so I just add all the three. 2 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9, which will give me 7 by 9. That's my answer. D, 7 by 9. Okay, now there's a simpler way of doing this, right? So this is even, I have 3 cases, right? So if I take but odd, okay, instead of even, this is the way we have done it now. I'm showing an alternate way. So if I say odd, then what will happen? Odd will be only odd into odd, right? This will be odd. Is there any other possibility for getting an odd number? No, right? So odd into odd will be, so here it will be 2 by 3 into, this will be 1 by 3. This will become 2 by 9. So we are subtract 1 minus 2 by 9, which is 7 by 9. Got it? Because we are taking the odd possibility. Okay, everything other than odd is going to be even, correct? So 1 minus 2 by 9. This is the other way of doing it. Okay, this is also possible. You'll get the same answer. Okay. Go into the next question. 23. Pythagoras High School Band has 100 female and 8 male members. Pythagoras High School Orchestra has 80 female and 100 male members. I think I said something wrong here. It's 100 female, 80 male. Here it's 80 female, 100 male. There are 60 females who are members in both band and orchestra. Okay. Altogether, there are 230 students who are either in band or in orchestra or both. The number of males in the band who are not in the orchestra. Okay, now I cannot draw a Venn diagram for this because there are four different criteria, right? It tends to get confusing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it directly using algebra. So let's see. So first I'll find females who are in either band or orchestra. Okay, so it will not have double counting. That's what I mean. So initially we have 100 females here. Okay, this place. Then we have 80 females here. Okay, so 100 in band, then 80 in orchestra. Now 60 in both. So I'm going to reduce the 60 here so that I don't get double counting. So this is going to give me 120. Now who are these 120? These are females either in band or orchestra. Okay, but not both. Now we'll go for males. For males, now total students I have is 230. Okay, which are in orchestra or band or both. Now out of this I'm going to subtract the 120 females who are in either band or orchestra. So here I'm going to get 110. Okay, now these are going to be males in B or O, correct? So I'm going to assume X males in both. We don't know how many males in both, right? So I'm going to assume X males in both. So we will say 80 plus 100 minus X. 80 is this. Okay, plus 100 is this. Minus X, which is both, will be equal to 100. Correct? Let me check. Not 100, 110. That's what we got, right? So, 1 minute. Not 100, it's 110. So, I'm going to say X is equal to 70. Okay. Now, number of males in band but not orchestra. That's what we want, right? Is equal to 80 minus 70, which is 10. That's your answer. Got it? Going to question number 24. A cube of h 3 centimeter is cut into n smaller cubes. Not all the same size. Some can be same size, not all are same size. Okay. So two or more different sizes of cubes need to be there in the smaller cubes. If the edge of each of the smaller cubes is a whole number of centimeters, then n is equal to dash. How many cubes are there? That's the question, right? So we have 3 centimeters, 3, which needs to be split into whole numbers. Okay, so the possibility of split is only 2 and 1. No other whole number we can split 3 as. Correct. So now we cannot have all ones. Okay, one cube, one centimeter cubes is not possible because, correct, because we can't have not or all of the same size. So this possibility is gone. So we should have at least one 2 by 2 by 2 cube. Okay, at least one. Okay. Now we can't have more also because can't have more. Why? Because if I have more than 1 2 plus 2 2 by 2 by 2 cube, the side will become 4 centimeters, which is not possible. So we can have only one 2 by 2 by 2 cube. Okay, so we have this one number. Okay, now what is the overall cubes that we have is 3 cube, right? Because 3 centimeter 3 cube minus 1 cube of this, so 2 cube. Okay, so this is nothing but 19. Correct. So 3 cube is 27 minus 8, so that is 19. So we have 19 unit cubes, or 1 by 1 by 1. So totally how many cubes we have? 19 plus 1, which is equal to 20 cubes. Clear? So this is your answer, E20. Going to the next question. An equilateral triangle is originally painted black. Okay. Each time the triangle is changed, the middle fourth of each black triangle turns white. After 5 changes, what fractional part of the original area of the black triangle remains black? So this is 1. Okay. Now 1 part is become white, 1 by 4 is become white. So 3 by 4 is still black. Correct. Now the next here, right? 3 by 4 of this, which is nothing but 9 by 16. Right. So what is the change? So each change is 3 by 4. So each change is nothing but 3 by 4. It's changing by 3 by 4, right? Now we have changed 3. This will also be 3 by 4. Then we have change 4. This will also be 3 by 4. Okay. After 5 changes. So we have change 5, which will also be 3 by 4. So changes 3 by 4 to the power 5. Correct? Which is nothing but 243 by 1024. Answer option C. Okay. I think we are at the end of this paper, 1991 AMC8. I hope you have a great time studying maths. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet in the next video, which I'll release soon.